In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace image in template in Canva. If you've ever found a great design but wanted to swap in your own photo, this quick walkthrough is for you. We'll start from the Canva homepage and move smoothly into editing so you can replace an image in just a few clicks. Begin by navigating to the Templates section. You'll see it on the main Canva screen. Clicking Templates opens a rich library of ready-made designs. In the search bar, type Newsletter as an example. This is just a starting point to show the process, and it works the same way for almost any project type. The search results will load with lots of styles, color palette says, and layouts, so take a moment to scan through options that match your brand or content. When you spot a design you like, select it to open its preview. From there, choose Customize this template. This action brings the template into the Canva editor so you can make it your own. You'll now see the page or pages of the design in the center, and a toolbar down the left side with tabs for elements, text, and more. To bring in your image, move your mouse over the Uploads tab on the left. Hovering reveals your upload options and any media you've previously added. Click Upload Files and select the photo from your computer or connected storage. High-resolution images work best, so choose a clear file that matches the mood and orientation of the placeholder image in the template. Once your image finishes uploading, you'll see it appear in the Uploads panel. Now comes the key step. Drag your image from the panel and drop it directly onto the existing image inside the template. As you hover over the template image, it should highlight slightly, indicating that you're targeting the image frame. Release your mouse, and Canva will instantly replace the template's picture with your own while keeping the layout intact. If the swap doesn't happen right away, try aiming for the center of the existing image until you see that highlight. This ensures you're dropping into the frame rather than placing a new image on top. After the replacement, review how the photo fits within the design. Matching orientation and composition helps maintain a polished look. And that's it. You clicked Templates, searched for a newsletter example, selected a template, customized it, opened Uploads, added your file, and dragged it onto the existing image to replace it. Save your work, and you're ready to continue designing with confidence.